morning, welcome to Realty, the real estate channel. This morning I will show you a house with 3 bedrooms and a big lot. It's a very spacious house. They have own swimming pool, so I'm going to show you now. This is more or less 800 square meters. They have their own fence and have their own gate. And this is the road right away. So this is the place where I can do the barbecue. It's also spacious. And here the swimming pool here. Chairs and sit down here. This is the grand kitchen. You can do things easily. This is the stairs going up for the 3 bedrooms. Here is the living area, and here will you play. This is the balcony. So right now I feel it's very airy here, and there's trees, a swimming pool down below, and it's just fully gated, or they have their own perimeter fence. So here is the master's bedroom. They have their own toilet and bath. It's a spacious. Like that. And here is the toilet and bath. Very spacious. There's a sink. There's the toilet bowl. And the shower. So spacious. So this is the center of the house, and then I'll show you the second bedroom. Still, it is spacious. Like you can put 3 king-size bed. They have also their own wardrobe, each unit. All of the bedrooms are spacious. They have a cat, a Persian cat. Very cute. Hi, Maldita. So this is also the wardrobe here. It's also spacious.